Welcome to FireFlink. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create an automation project, observe the tree structure of modules and submodules in the test development section, and how to develop a simple automation script of a web application within the FireFlink platform. Upon signing into the FireFlink platform, the user will be directed to the FireFlink platform, where they can initiate automation projects. To create a new project, click the plus project button, enter the project name, and select the type of automation project, such as web service, web, mobile, web and mobile, Salesforce, or MS Dynamics. Once the required details are filled in and the Create button is clicked, the user is automatically redirected to the test development section. The test development section features a structured tree view that organizes automation scripts into modules and submodules, making navigation and management seamless. For instance, the module tree structure is already designed to efficiently categorize test scenarios. To create a module within this tree, click the plus module button, enter the module name, select the parent module, and click Create. This will create a module. Inside each module, the user can create individual automation scripts, which contain step-by-step automation instructions. Automation scripts can be added in 3 ways within FireFlink. The first method allows the user to create an automation script for an existing manual test case. To do this, go to the manual test case that needs to be automated, click on the plus icon, and select the automation script option, or simply click on the plus icon beside M button. The second method is used to create a new script. To do this, the user needs to navigate to the desired module, click on the plus icon, and select the automation script option to add the script. Enter the script name in the text field and confirm by clicking the green double tick icon. The third method is by clicking on the plus automation button, filling the mandatory fields like script name, script type, and selecting the parent module. Along with that, add the additional details and click on the Create button. This will direct the user inside the automation script, where they can utilize simple English language to build an automation test script using natural language processing technique effortlessly. In this automation test script, we are verifying whether the user can log into the ShopperStack application successfully. Click on the plus step button, where the user can input the action or verification step in the search text field. The list of NLPs will be auto-populated upon the search made by the user, and this simplifies the process of scripting. Now, let's start developing an automation script. The first step is to open the browser. Search for the corresponding action and select the appropriate NLP. There are 2 options available: Add and Continue. The Add button simply adds the automation step to the script. On the other hand, the Add and Continue button adds the step and keeps the Search for NLP text field active, allowing the user to immediately search for the next action and continue scripting without interruption. Now, let's click the Add button. As seen here, the automation step is added with just a few simple inputs. Let's proceed to add a step to maximize the browser window. Search for the maximizing action, choose the Maximize Browser Window NLP, and click the Add and Continue button. Notice that earlier, when the Add button was used, the step was added and the search field was closed. But now, using Add and Continue has not only added the step, but also kept the NLP search field visible, making it easier to proceed with the next action. The next step is to navigate to a URL. Search for the navigation NLP, select it, provide the URL as input, and click on Add and Continue. Now, let's add a step to click on the Login button. Search for the Click NLP and select the Click on Element NLP. Then, select the desired element where the action needs to be performed and click on Add and Continue button. Next is to enter a value into the email text field. Search for the Enter NLP and select Enter Input into Element. Provide a valid email ID in the input field, select the desired element, and add the step. We will now build the rest of the script following the same process. Search and choose the Enter Input into Element NLP again. Enter a valid password, select the desired element, and click on Add and Continue. Now, search for the Click on Element NLP, select the desired login button, and click on Add and Continue. At this stage, the user can also add a verification step to validate whether the automation test script has passed or failed. This video showcased how to create an automation testing project, explored the tree view structure, and how easily and quickly anyone can develop an automation script within FireFlink. Thank you for watching the video. To learn more or schedule a free demo, visit www.fireflink.com.